Good morning! Deja vu. We're back at the Four Seasons, this time hopefully to see actual characters. And later on we'll be at Hollywood Studios. So let's get the day started. Okay, so today we are seated in the covered patio area outside. And when we came in, they did a photo pass picture right at the entrance, and we'll have to see what it looks like when it comes in. But they said there'll be a special surprise. Then we were offered drinks, and then instead of the signature card, they gave us this. It just basically says when we were here and what date, like a memory. Not as cute as what they do with the other character meals. The menu is basically the same as we had yesterday, but just a lot more expensive because it's a character meal. We did have one character kind of come through here very quickly, but we were like looking at the menu and doing other things, and we didn't get any pictures. So hopefully there'll be more characters and we can catch them next time. So anyway, interesting to see how it works. We'll see how it goes after this.
Very cute.
Okay, so she had the huevos rancheros and I had an omelet, and they were delicious. The character interactions were cute, but they were just really fast, and we felt like everything was just so rushed, and it was pretty expensive. So I think if you're staying here, it's a great option, but otherwise I wouldn't make a special trip out. So we are headed out of the hotel now.
So we're at the hotel, and I feel like we're right in the middle of transportation heaven because there's boats that go right by our building. Right across the water is the cabins for Wilderness Lodge. But watch this, you guys. They go across this bridge. I mean, if you've been on the boat, you probably have done this before, but it's amazing to watch because that up there is a bridge that goes over the road. And then there's another boat coming this direction. And then right overhead, continuing our transportation heaven, is the monorail. Now watch the big ferry coming across the lake. Or not the lake, but the bridge. Monorail. But let's focus on this ferry. What is happening? That's a tight squeeze.
Hello from the Hollywood Studios parking lot. It's like 1:20 and we're here to try to do the 2 o'clock boarding group drop for Ride the Resistance. I love the optimism of my hair being down because you know it's going to be up soon because it's 108-degree heat index. But I wanted to point out that we actually were able to park pretty close. One of the things that makes me nervous about arriving after rope drop is I'm always afraid we're going to have to park so far away and walk because there's no trams. But today they funneled us right to the front to empty spots, so that worked out well, so wish us luck. We're in an outdoor relaxation zone. I told you the ponytail was going up and I got my fan out. We were able to get a Rise the Resistance sporting group after last time we were here in the debacle where they wouldn't let us even choose ourselves. We're so happy to get one this time. So anyway, we should, and it's not too high of a number, so we're hoping they'll call us within the next couple of hours. So this is what the outdoor section of the relaxation zone looks like, by the way. This is in a launch bay. You can also go inside in the air conditioning, but when given the opportunity to do covered with fans and stuff, we're choosing that. It feels fine. So anyway, we are going to just take a leak this afternoon because it is way too hot to be out and about, and we have lunch and that kind of stuff, but we're going to do more stuff this evening. So stay tuned. So we found a bench along Hollywood Boulevard, and we heard the music coming, and here comes Minnie and Chip and Dale. Hi, Minnie. She is so cute. Her dress is sparkly. Look at those shoes. Conk, conk. He's sparkly too. No Daisy today. Okay, so once again, having Cobb salad I don't have to tell you what I don't have to give you a review afterwards because we know it's going to be good. So I'm just going to eat it because it's one of our favorite things. Lunch was of course delicious, and we ran to the restroom before we head out because our Rise the Resistance group was called. By the way, next to the restrooms at Brown Derby is a Club 33 entrance, but shh, don't tell anybody. Here's the boarding area for Rise. It's been a while since we've been on it. So now we're in the Rise queue. We got in line, we were moving along, and then bam, stop. Luckily, we and everybody around us has benches to sit on because they're built into the walls. We've heard reports of people having issues with when this ride breaks down, the queue can get really crowded and cluttered. It kind of depends where you are, but we're in a really good spot. And on the upside, it has super fast internet. The hotels have 5 megabits per second upload and download speed, and in here it's 100. So we can do whatever we want. Yeah. So at least we have something we can do to pass the time. But anyway, hopefully the ride will be back up soon. So we'll keep you posted.
Time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the general. Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
Find your numbers. Hurry. All recruits to transport. No need for safety gear until we can see the ride.
I just hope to be sure. All recruits must get on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
This ship is under the control of the First Order. One group at a time. Disembark. You out. Stay, I didn't call you.
Ooh, it's empty in here.
It's a prisoner transfer.
It's just us. We are social distance from each other.
Good. Now get a move on. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
We survived.
Lieutenant back here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure.
Super fun thing about having your own ride vehicle is that you can take as many pictures and videos as you want. Because normally we would not do that because we don't want to bother everybody else. But now we can do whatever we want. What fun. So we're sitting outside baseline. I went inside and got a flight of beer. It's $12. You can pick any 4 you want. I told the cast member to pick 4. Like there are 4 most popular flavors. So they give them to you, they're all labeled. And then if you want more of the ones that you like, you can get a bigger one. That's it. Cheers, Heather.
First time here?
Nope.
Alright, becoming regulars.
It was my first time, and I'm still getting used to it. How do you feel, bro? Well, I think so.
Hi there. Customers. I better get started. I always wanted to do this.
Skyhopper. They used to come in taller glasses, but this will do. Cheers.
I'll get a new one.
Last one's here.
That's all. Here's a local Batman favorite.
We just left Galaxy's Edge. We had a fantastic time at Hollywood Studios this evening. So nice when the temperatures cool down and the crowds cool off with no wait times. Had a lovely night hanging out. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoy following along. We'll be back tomorrow. Bye.